The Club Car Precedent, a name synonymous with innovation, durability, and style. But in a market flooded with options, does it still hold up as one of the best golf carts? We put it to the ultimate test, and today we're bringing you a review. Welcome back to the channel, folks. As always, I am your host, Greg. Today, we're diving deep into the Club Car Precedent, a fan favorite in the golf cart world. Is it all it's cracked up to be? Or has time caught up with this classic? Stick around as we explore its features, performance, and value to help you decide if it's the right fit for you. Before we go on, take a moment to ensure you are subscribed and have notifications enabled so you can keep up to date with our latest updates as well as reviews. Thank you! Before we begin, let's go over a quick history lesson. The Precedent was first introduced in 2004 as a significant upgrade to Club Car's lineup. It was designed with one goal in mind: to offer a premium golf cart experience, whether on the course or off. Over the years, it's become a benchmark for reliability and innovation. From its lightweight aluminum frame to its versatile configurations, the Precedent quickly gained a loyal following. But let's see how it stands up to modern demands. First, let's go over its design and build quality. One of the standout features of the Club Car Precedent is its design. The lightweight aluminum frame is both durable and rust-resistant, a huge plus for long-term use. What about the body panels, I hear you ask? Well, my dear viewer, they are made from impact-resistant materials that can handle daily wear and tear. But it's not just about toughness. The Precedent also scores high on aesthetics. With sleek lines, customizable colors, and stylish wheels, it's a cart that looks as good as it performs. Now, let's talk features and technology. The Precedent comes packed with thoughtful features. The dash offers multiple compartments for storage, while the cup holders are perfectly sized. A golf cart brand that truly understands the value of hydration. And if you're into tech, you'll love the optional upgrades. Add-ons like USB ports, Bluetooth sound systems, and even GPS trackers make this cart future-ready. Plus, Club Car offers both gas and electric versions, catering to different needs. Whether you prefer the quiet efficiency of electric or the extended range of gas, there's a Precedent for you. Performance and drive quality. Performance is where the Precedent truly shines. The electric model features a powerful 48-volt motor, delivering smooth acceleration and speeds up to 19 miles per hour. For those who need more range or torque, the gas version with a Kawasaki engine has you covered. The handling is another highlight. The Precedent's suspension system offers a smooth ride, even on uneven terrain. It feels stable, responsive, and, dare I say, fun. Now, let's talk options. The Precedent comes in multiple configurations, so you can choose one that fits your lifestyle. The i2 model is the base option, perfect for golf courses or casual neighborhood cruising. The Signature Edition adds more luxury with upgraded seating and trim. And if you're into off-roading, the lifted Precedent models offer higher clearance and beefier tires for rugged adventures. With so many choices, there's truly a Precedent for everyone. Drawbacks. On the plus side, the Club Car Precedent offers excellent build quality, a smooth ride, and plenty of customization options. It's reliable, stylish, and holds its value well. However, there are some downsides. The Club Car Precedent, while known for its reliability and cost-effectiveness, does come with several common issues that owners might encounter. 1. MCOR, Motor Controller Overload Relay Failure. One of the more common issues with the Precedent, particularly in older models, is the failure of the MCOR. This can lead to erratic acceleration or complete loss of power. Owners often report needing to replace or upgrade this component to resolve issues with sudden jerking or speed inconsistencies. 2. Over time, the front control arm bushings and hubs can wear out, leading to steering issues, noise, or even safety concerns if not addressed. This is especially true for precedents used on rough terrains or those with higher mileage. 3. It's very important to know that the precedent uses several unsealed wiring connectors in its harnesses, which can corrode in humid or wet conditions, potentially leading to electrical issues. This corrosion can cause intermittent problems with the cart's operation or even complete failure of electrical components. 4. Some users have reported experiencing issues where the cart's speed control becomes erratic. This might be related to the MCOR or other parts in the speed control system like the pedal assembly or sensors. 5. There have been reports of aggressive regenerative braking or issues where the cart behaves as if it's in reverse when it should be coasting or moving forward. This can be due to problems with the regenerative braking system or the forward-reverse switch and associated wiring. Battery and charging problems. While not exclusive to the precedent, battery issues like uneven charge distribution, poor battery life, or charging system failures are common. Certain models might experience overheating of the charger, which could indicate battery or charger issues. Steering problems. The steering mechanism can sometimes become stiff or develop play, which might be due to issues with the steering coupler or U-joints that require lubrication or replacement. These problems, while common, can often be mitigated or resolved through regular maintenance, part replacements, or upgrades. Consulting with a local club car dealer or forums where owners share their experiences can provide practical solutions to these issues. Maintenance and longevity. One area where the precedent excels is longevity. Thanks to its aluminum frame and high-quality components, this cart can last for years with proper care. Maintenance is straightforward, and replacement parts are widely available. Just keep an eye on the battery if you're going electric, as performance can diminish over time. Like mentioned before, regular servicing is key to keeping your precedent running like new. Price and value. Now, let's talk money. The Club Car Precedent is priced between $8,000 and $12,000, depending on the model, customization, and upgrades. While it's not the cheapest option, the value it offers justifies the price. From its build quality to its performance, the Precedent is an investment that pays off in reliability and resale value. So, is the Club Car Precedent worth it? Absolutely! Whether you're a golfer, a neighborhood cruiser, or someone who just loves a stylish ride, the Precedent delivers on all fronts. It's not without its flaws, but its strengths far outweigh its weaknesses. With its blend of style, performance, and durability, the Club Car Precedent remains a top contender in the golf cart world. That's it for our Club Car Precedent review. What do you think? Is it the perfect golf cart for you? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more in-depth reviews. I've been your host, Greg. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.